today's online videos going viral on social media, you can now measure your audience within your social universe. Each online platform has a designated audience, and individuals and companies can create content targeted to a specific audience for better reach. This can also expand and translate online followers into income. Miko David, co-founder of a marketing group called David and Goliath, shared this marketing tip during the Globe Maximizing Online Reach Forum, where he discussed digital talk on online media consumption in the Philippines and maximizing reach for online channels.
This next chart, we try to measure how many Facebook followers that they have, Instagram, YouTube, whatnot. So if I put you in green, mataas yung number nila. Okay? If you notice, I also put Facebook video views, YouTube video views. Bakit? You'd be surprised na even though I have a small fan base, I can reach more people if I boost the video, amplify it, no?
David described online marketing content as an orchestrated act aimed to capture viewers' attention that would potentially generate revenues.
So if you start with digital now, it's not too late. If you get yourself organized and maximize it, it's not too late. So question, we're in the industry of sharing content, news, updates. Some people have a huge following, huge volume, but it's not too late. Because once you understand what people are good at, what they can do, you play that game.
In a recent survey made by David and Goliath, social audiences can be categorized into different generations that consume different online contents. David claimed young millennials are usually engaged to contents, while older millennials watch videos, and those that belong to Generation X are the ones that read the stories.